How to turn on or turn off Hibernate in Windows 11. So if you want to turn on or turn off the Hibernate in Windows 11, then what you need to do is just go with the search option. Once you go with search, now you need to search for CMD, which is command prompt, and make sure that you open it as an administrator. Go with run as administrator. Once you go with run as administrator, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply enter a command. So the command goes like power cfg.exe space / hibernate space off, and then hit the enter and it will be turned off. But if you want to turn it on, then go with the same command power cfg.exe / hibernate space on, and then hit the enter and it will be turned on. So that's how you can turn on or turn off the Hibernate in Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.